Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to share with you my July CraftyBonbons box. Can't remember the theme here, but I think it's something to do with like eclectic collages, or collaging, abstract collaging. So let's find out what is this month's box contents. Oh my days. Okay, so yeah, I think it's like collage bits and pieces. So firstly, I like this a vinyl. You get a vinyl sticker. That's like a nice lady. Then you get a washi tape, and that's really like abstract-y type thing. Yeah. And then this time you get a glue. Wow. And then a pen. I'm sure this will be black again. Let's just double check. Yep, it's black. Then you get this wired ribbon. Can make into a bow of some sort, or just put on your collage or your project. Do that. Right, I don't know which one to pick up. Okay, you get a sticky note as well, and then you get some journaling cards. Look at that. This is Ali's I think collage work. So quirky, isn't it? Interesting. That's really interesting, this one. It's very abstract-y type thing. Oh, I like this. You put a photograph there, and then right on the back. That's another quirky one. So these are, you get 4 journal cards, and then you get a bag of bits and bobs. So you get like a paper, a frame, some tags, some little, what are these? Oh, self-adhesive stuff. Decorative paper that are self-adhesive. Then you get some little wooden things, a tab. Oh, I like that paper clip. It's like a light bulb. Lovely. I'm not gonna take it out because, you know, I think, yeah, it's just a packet of bits and bobs. And then you get, I think these are die cuts. Again, these are really like very eclectic. Oh, there's that one there, a leaf. Look at those eyes. Really like those eyes. Look at that. Oops. Yeah, different eyes and a hand. So you get a packet of them, and then you get another packet of die cuts, but this time these are shapes, I believe. Yeah, these are just shapes, die cut shapes. Oh, there's a, I tried to figure that out. It's like a tab, but it's like love. Nice. Okay. Then you get these. Oh God, these are really quirky stuff. quirky dolls. So you get 4 of them. So they look like animals, like their heads are animals, but their bodies are humans. That's really quirky. That's really cool. Love it. That is awesome. So this month I asked for an A5 traveler's notebook insert. So this time I have a plain one. Oh, it's like that background is really unique. And then you get 4 self-adhesive labels. Now you can use this as either you put the address as an address label or like a journaling space in your journal. You get another vinyl, just like a flower. Then you get postcardy type journal cards. Again, that's a really quirky collage thing. Then you get stickers, little sheet of stickers, and then you get your letter paper. So usually you get 8. Yeah, you get 8. And then you get more stickers that are really like, I don't know, they're really abstract. I love them. Then you get, oh, what's this? It's like a nesting die, but look at it. It's like frames, so I guess you can peel each one and then frame stuff. That's really clever. And then, what is this? Looks like a packet of paper, but we'll see. Yes, it's a packet of different papers, and you can use this for your collage. Oh, I love the colors. Look at that. Love it. That one's really cool. I like that one. Right, let's pop that there. So in here you get the information about the box and also the instructions for the self-adhesive vinyls. And last but not the least are the papers. Oh my god, you can make your own collage. So you can cut this out and collage. Oh my days, that is so nice. Oh, I love this. And you get loads. Let's get flowers. Oh, I love them. You get like, that's so cool. And then, oh, this is like a very vintage page that you can use. Yvonne Mitchell. I don't know anything about her. Paper! This is so pretty. Oh my god, this is so cool. You can make like a zine out of this. Oh my days. Make a zine out of this. Oh, that's really, oh, I love that. Love that. It's like abstract things. Oh my goodness. They're all not like thick cardstock. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, this one's pretty. Oh, there's a B side to it. Look, this one doesn't. They're plain on the back, but this one's got B side to it. Oh my goodness, that's pretty. And this one doesn't have a, oh god, that's a thick one. It's like a real scribbly writing there. And this one's like bubbles, 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 bubbles. Oh my god, I'm excited for this. I'm excited for this one. I want to make a zine. So you can, it's already done for you, you know. Anyway, oh, excited. And you've got loads of like large stuff in there. Oh, right, that's it. That's it for me, guys. Hope you like what I've shared. Hope you like this box. If you like them, then please do contact Crafty Ali. I will leave the link for the Facebook group so that you can join us and you can have some sneak peeks. And I will leave Crafty Ali's Etsy shop details in the description box below too, so if you fancy anything from this box or the box itself, then you can contact Ali if there's some more. Sometimes they tend to get sold out really fast. So yeah, thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching again. Bye.